made it to Dracula's castle.
Oh my God, we can slide off this cliff any minute.
Dude, we are never getting out of here.
How many hours has it been?
It's been like 9 days in this car. You alright to drive?
Yeah.
Finally, we're out of the Swiss Mount shitstorm.
Gee, you look tired.
I am. I'm pulling over.
Basically, I tried to be a hot ass and climb an Alp in the middle of the night with a Ferrari during a blizzard. Now we have to turn around and go 2 to 3 hours back the way we came.
All because you had to make that turn and be the tough guy. You're lucky you're at home.
Do you know how to get to Transylvania? Transylvania.
Pennsylvania?
Yeah. Castle Dracula.
Dracula in Romania.
Yeah.
What was this direction?
This general direction.